When two or more high availability or HA pairs are joined as a cluster, the cluster configuration is categorized as a multi-node cluster. The HA pairs do not need to use the same model of AFF or FAS storage controller. Multi-node clusters bring an increased level of complexity to cabling. Labeling and running cables for these clusters require more planning and attention to detail than for two-node clusters. The maximum number of nodes in a multi-node cluster is restricted by the protocols that are used, the storage controller models, and sometimes the version of NetApp ONTAP software. In general, mid-level and enterprise storage controller models that run only NAS protocols can grow to 24 nodes. If any HA pair runs SAN protocols, then the maximum node limit is 12. Mixing entry-level with mid-level and enterprise-class storage controllers almost always reduces the maximum number of nodes. These limits are imposed on the cluster so that all member nodes can manage cluster failover functions without imposing performance restrictions. Check the limits in Hardware Universe before you create or expand a multi-node cluster. Multi-node clusters provide the benefits of the best features of ONTAP clusters. Such benefits are not fully available in two-node clusters. During maintenance that might require an entire HA pair to go offline, the volumes that the HA pair control in a multi-node cluster can be distributed to the other HA pairs in the cluster if their drives have free capacity. A tech refresh to replace the storage controllers with newer models is an example of this type of situation. When a two-node cluster needs an ONTAP software upgrade, both nodes must be in a quiet period to perform a failover and give back. Multi-node clusters can take advantage of a rolling upgrade to stagger when the nodes are upgraded. NetApp ONTAP FlexGroup volumes are one of the biggest benefits of multi-node clusters. FlexGroup volumes enable you to bond multiple FlexVol volumes that are spread all over the cluster into one logical volume that appears to be multiple petabytes in size. This capability is especially useful for workloads that require very large data sets.